So this is just a quick tutorial on how to download Windows 10 on VirtualBox. So if we do a Google search, Microsoft Edge Developer Virtual Machine, so it will be Virtual Machines Microsoft Edge Developer. I'll also leave the link in the description. So we'll download the VirtualBox option. So the file size is 6.7 gigabytes, so you might have to wait a while for it to install. So once it's installed, if we just go to File Explorer, go to your Downloads folder, and it should be in your downloads. So if you just click on it, click the option Compressed Folder Tools, and then we'll just click Extract All. So here we could just choose where we want to extract it. I'm just going to extract it into the Downloads folder. So once it's finished extracting, you should just have another folder here next to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut this and I'm going to save it into a location where I want to save it. So I'll put it in here for now. So just remember the location to where you save it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up VirtualBox, and I'll go to File, and I'll go to Import Appliance. I'll then navigate to where I've just saved that. And then I'll click on this OVA file. And I'll click Next. So here I can give the VirtualBox a name. I'm just going to call it Windows 10. Select how much RAM we want to allocate it. This depends on how much physical RAM you actually have. I have 32 gigabytes, so I'll assign 10 gigabytes of RAM to it. If we just click Import, okay, so once that's imported, if we just click on it, we'll go to Settings. So for System, you can see here, this is where I modified how much RAM I want to give it. So you can change that later on if you want to. I'm just going to go to Processor, and I'm just going to add a second CPU to it. Now what we need to do is we need to go to Display, and for video memory, we have to make sure that this marker is just on the borderline with green to get full screen. So for me, that I've just got to change that to 27. And then I'll click OK. And now we can power on the Windows 10 virtual machine. Okay, so the password for this is capital P ASSW 0 RD exclamation mark. So if I just show the password, and that's the password used to log into the virtual machine. So now if I just go to View, I can select full screen view. Okay, so we just need to activate the Windows 10 virtual machine just in case it didn't automatically do it. So to do that, we'll just type in CMD, right click, Run as Administrator. I'll click Yes. So if we move that out of the way, and we're just going to copy in this here. So it's SLMGR/ATO, and we or we just get a Windows script host just to say that it's activating Windows. So we just press OK.